Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
So today we are treating marginal modal auxiliary verbs. Can anyone tell me what marginal modal auxiliary verbs are?
Marginal modal auxiliary verbs include ought to, used to, dare, need, etc. Ought to is used to express an obligation. For example, you ought to stop crying. Bola ought to study hard. We ought to do this assignment. It is used to express a logical necessity or an expectation. Examples include, we ought to have finished the meeting by now. George ought to see me by the weekend. The bot ought to go back home tomorrow.
Great! And you, where are you coming from?
From the principal's office, sir.
Okay, tell the whole class what used to is used for under marginal modal auxiliary verbs.
Used to is the opposite of always. In other words, used to is used for an action that had taken place over a period of time in the past, while always is used to express an habitual activity in the present time.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share.